This is my Ubuntu Desktop. You can see my app. I have a lot of application for little daily use. So now you can see these apps I don't use properly, so I keep it in another place. So I need to update the application. I will go to terminal. Here you can see my second option, terminal. I just zoom it fast. Now I will write the sudo apt ubdt. Now write the spelling, and then after I give the password, you can see this will take my internet, and after that I will write upgrade. See the spelling, and in this case here it is showing 1295 MB will download and 407 MB will be used. So first you will need to connect to your internet, as you can see, but suppose I will use little more fast internet, so I turn off my Wi-Fi, and then in my mobile I will connect it using USB threading. As you can see how I can do and doing the USB threading, and after the USB threading will successful, now you can see my internet speed is much more in USB threading. You will see this now. After I press Y, you can see how much speed is giving. A lot of speed is giving 120 MB download just a moment. For due to my the internet speed is working faster. And one thing, after this process will be done, I can turn off the internet in my mobile also. No problem, let it done. It will take a lot of time, so next part you will need to wait. And you can see just the last 1 minute of the video. So let's check it later. Now the update and update successful. I am showing by again by opening the terminal and the second app list here. I will write the same thing and giving the password. This time you can see this thing showing apt auto remove to remove some unneeded extra dependencies file. So I will do sudo apt remove. I copy this and paste this.
Malayalam problem of spelling, so I have write it again, and you will see some of the extra things will be uninstalled or removed by the package, and this was done so easily. Now again checking in the UPDT update, and then I will do upgrade again. Yeah, see this time nothing left. Okay, so this has been done, and this is extra thing which I will get in Ubuntu Pro. That's no, does not any matter. So let's leave now, and we can restart the power off, and let's see what we want to do.